I go to the doctors about my eyes, and he says, well, carrots are good for the eyes. He says, I'll put you on a diet of carrots for a week and come back and see me. So I go back to see him. He said, how's your eyes? I said, the eyes are pretty good, but I keep tripping over my ears.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and... Do they keep going round? They do, don't they?
No, show it, because then other blokes will be like, oh.
No, you can't show that. No, we are allegedly the experts. It's very unprofessional to be reading instructions. We designed it.
You know, some people are fox hunters, some are rabbit hunters. You're a cricket hunter.
Yeah, I'm just looking for a wealthy widow with a nasty cough.
George is such a smart dog. I try and teach him chicks.
Oh, I go wander around Brisbane one night in the bookstore, and I'm browsing, and there's a book called How to Woo. And I thought, gee, I could use a bit of help with the girls, so I'll buy this How to Woo book, but I don't want anybody to see it. So she wrapped up in brown paper. I paid a lot of money for it. I'm getting on the plane and nobody's looking, so I open it up and I realise I paid a lot of money for the last part of the Chinese phone book.